What if you could generate text, design images, create videos, compose music, and even run code all from one place? That is exactly the promise of NinjaTools, an all-in-one creative workspace that combines multiple artificial intelligence models and productivity tools into a single platform. Instead of juggling separate subscriptions and switching between apps for every task, NinjaTools offers everything in one spot. For anyone who writes, designs, codes, or creates digital content, this is the kind of deal that sparks curiosity. The main advantage of NinjaTools is variety. Rather than being tied to a single artificial intelligence provider, the platform gives you access to more than a dozen top models, including options like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. This means you can experiment with different writing styles, switch models for coding help, or use them for brainstorming ideas. Writers, students, marketers, and creators will appreciate the flexibility. On top of that, NinjaTools comes with a visual creation suite. You can generate custom images for social media campaigns, blog graphics, or presentations in just a few clicks. For those diving into short-form content, the video generation tools make production straightforward. There is even the option to compose original music tracks, a feature that is not commonly bundled with artificial intelligence platforms. Productivity tools extend the experience further. Whether you want to merge or convert documents, refine drafts with an article rewriter, or build quick code snippets in different programming languages, NinjaTools keeps everything under one roof. It removes the friction of switching platforms and saves time while working on diverse projects. Managing multiple subscriptions can become expensive, but the lifetime deal on AppSumo makes NinjaTools stand out. By securing the deal, you gain ongoing access without recurring monthly costs. The higher tier unlocks large allowances, including thousands of images, hundreds of music tracks, and a significant number of chat interactions every month. That level of creative power at a one-time cost makes the offer hard to ignore. If you're tired of piecing together different tools and want a single hub for text, visuals, audio, and coding, NinjaTools provides a compelling option. AppSumo users can grab the lifetime access today and start exploring how much faster and easier content creation can be. Check out the deal now and see what kind of creative projects you can launch next.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.